Hey guys, welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. I just wanted to show you what I've started doing with the some of these containers that I bought from the Dollar Tree. And I decided that I was going to separate all of my makeup, which I have most of it separated. This is really not even all of it. But what I did was I put the Physicians Formula, the most recent ones that I bought, the Physicians Formula in this bin. I put the Maybelline in this bin. I put CoverGirl in this bin. And I put Revlon in this bin. And up here, I put in makeup stuff like brushes and anything that you would use to just beautify yourself. You know, like this thing I bought. I put that in here. I put this little brush that I bought from the Dollar Tree in here. I put these eye pads, eye masks in here. And things like that. That's what I put in that side. And, yeah, but still, I have eye makeup here. You know, like pencils and things. I have those here. And some lip glosses. I have them up in here. But what I really want to show you was just how I've started separating them into these baskets. And now this is going to be easy for me when I get ready to have my garage sale. I will just pick up the basket and take them outside, okay? Now, hold 1 second. Okay. Over here, I put the razors. I put the Quattro razors. You see, this is a bigger bin right here. This bin is bigger than the other ones. My hair is in the way. This one is bigger. These are the two smaller ones. I put some Gillette Mac 3 razors in here. Hydro 5 razors. And I got the Venus razors there. Alright. These bins here, like that one, that straw one, that one has razors in it as well. And over here in this drawer, I have the Simply Venus razors here. And these type of razors. But I tried to put them all together. So in that one, this one, see, I can open the drawer much easier now. The Venus razors, I have plenty Venus razors. I have these and those over there in that bin. Okay, up here at the top, I have more Venus razors. But it's just that I have more room now, okay? So I made room. Here, I have like Bic razors. The BIC Bic razors. And I have some Hydros in here. Put this over here. A Bic Soleil razors. And I have these type. My daughter-in-law likes these, so probably should just send her some in the mail. She wouldn't take them. Say, oh no, Ma, I don't want them. And here, I have like a lot of the chick razors in here. And these are like these type. I didn't go all the way down under here. Oh, those are the chic extreme. I think that's what I was putting over there. But, you know, I could just take this whole bin out and take it down, take it outside if I have to. I think that's all of, oh no, I have more. I have Simply Venus over here. But I told you, razors is what, I have so many razors. But I'm going to be taking those out to sell. So I just really just want to show you my organization bins. These are the bins that I bought from the Dollar Tree. I wish I could have gotten those big size ones there. So if I see any more of the big ones, I'm going to get them. Alright, so I think that's all. I got to find something to do with all this stuff that's out here on the floor. I really don't like it like that. I'm going to have to reorganize all of this that's right here. I don't like this looking like that. So I'll think about it for a while and come up with an idea. All right. Okay, guys. So I just wanted to show you my new bins and how I was putting them to work. All right, guys. I love you much. Oh, look. Even as I talk, look at this makeup. This is Wet n Wild stuff. all wet and wild. I need a bigger bin. I need a bin for that. And there's makeup in here too. In these two. Yeah. And let me just show you over here, because there's makeup in here. Got lipstick in here. Face concealers in here. And these, most of these in here are Physicians Formula stuff. Look at that. Look at that. I was supposed to send somebody this stuff in here. So I got plenty of makeup that I really need to get rid of. Alright guys, thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, and push that notification button while you're thumbsing up the video. And I'll see you in the next video. Love you much. Bye-bye.